What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do some minor maintenance for your bike. I'm going to show you how to clean your chain. All you'll need is, you'll need to get some chain lube. I like to use a scrubber. I'll put the link below. You don't have to use these, but it makes it a whole lot easier. And then I got an old rag. So I also have a new bike lift that I just got for the rear, so it'll make this a little bit easier. I'll throw this in the link below. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to clean your chain. As you can see, I already cleaned some of this part, so I'm just gonna spin my wheel a little bit. You can see it's pretty dirty right there. So I'm just gonna hold this up so I don't make a mess. Grab my scrubber right here. Start scrubbing. Another way you can clean your chain is spray it like that. Just take your brush, go ahead and scrub it. You're getting both sides all the way. Your sprocket, pretty sure that's what it is holding it on. How easy that is. Chain's pretty clean. Looks a lot cleaner now, so. Got my doggy over there. So I'm gonna show you guys how to simply clean your chain. This lift really did make this a whole lot easier. I used to have to just like roll it back and forth down the driveway and clean it. So got this bad boy. After that, we got our chain all cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and grab your chain lube. I'm just gonna dab it. That's about all you need. You don't need too much on there. That stuff goes a long ways. Alright guys, so that is how you clean your bike chain and how you basically re-lube it too. I just put it in gear on the lift and just let it run real quick and just do a couple sprays on it. Goes a long ways. Bike didn't get that dirty. Thanks again for watching guys. Again, this is my 2022 Honda CBR 500. So just want to show you guys how to simply clean the chain real quick and simple little maintenance right there. So you know, thanks for watching. Guys got any questions or anything like that, comment below, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.